Hello viewers, welcome to my new update video of Class Pashala. Today we will solve a interesting math here given that a plus b plus c equal to 3 and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 3. Then find out the value of a to the power 2023 plus b to the power 2023 plus c to the power 2023 is equal to what? Now we given the it is equation number 1 and its equation number 2. Now we get from equation number 1 from equation number 1 we get a plus b plus c equal to 3. We squaring the both sides we get a plus b plus c all square equal to 3 square. Then we use a formula squaring we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 9. And here is a plus b plus c a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 3. So we get 3 plus 2ab 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 9. Then we get 2ab 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 we get here is 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 6. Equation number 3. Now we multiplying the equation number 2 by 2 we get equation number 2 we multiply this 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. So it is equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now we get here subtracting from 4 to 3 equation. So we get 4 equation minus equation number 3 we get 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 0. Now we use here a get formula a minus b all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Here we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 2bc plus c square minus 2ca plus a square is equal to 0. We can write a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b all square. Here we can write b minus c all square. Here we can write c minus a all square is equal to 0. Here we can see that 2 square 3 square summation is equal to 0. Here we know that the square number is not negative, so here three numbers cannot be 0, so every square will be 0. So we can write a minus b whole square equal to 0, and a b minus c is equal to 0, and c minus a is equal to 0. So we can write a minus b whole square is equal to 0, but a minus b is equal to 0, or a minus a equal to b. So similarly we get b equal to c. Here c minus a square equal to 0, c is equal to a. Okay, now we can write a to the power 23 plus b to the power 23 plus c to the power 23. Now we can write here from equation number 1 we can write here equation number 1 we can write here a equal to b equal to c. So a plus a is equal to 3. 3a is equal to 3, then a equal to 1, so is equal to 1. We can write here 1 to the power 23 plus 1 to the power 23 plus 1 to the power 23 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer will be is equal to 3. Okay, it is the answer of this sum. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.